So I'm going to make a video about different kinds of bayonet mounting systems. The part that actually lets you mount it and lock onto your rifle. I could show you more, but these are just like the kind of main ones that are common throughout different wars. I'll start off with the 1853 infield, then I'll do the Schmidt-Rubin 1911, then the Mosin-Nagant 9130, and the M1 Garand. So first, using the P53 infield, uses a socket bayonet. It's called that because it uses a socket to mount. This is most common during the Civil War for Union and Confederate. But to fix it, you just put it over the muzzle. The sight doubles as a bayonet lug. Push the sight through the channel all the way, and then rotate the ring over to lock the sight in place, and it will keep your bayonet from falling off your rifle. And to unfix it, just do the same thing, but in reverse. So next, using the Schmidt-Rubin, takes a push button system with a handle, so you can double it as a tool. Push button system, and there's a little notch on the inside. If you can see when it moves over and you push the button. So using the ring, stick it over the muzzle and make sure that this little slot goes over the bayonet lug and just push down. It'll lock. And to remove it, the little button, you just push that in, pull up. So next, using the Mosin-Nagant 9130, it's World War II era, and the Russians were still using socket bayonets during World War II. It's pretty simple. These aren't really supposed to be taken off and fixed whenever. It's just supposed to be fixed always and only taken off for like cleaning or when you're on a train or inside of a truck. Anyways, to mount it, just slip it over the muzzle. The sight doubles as a bayonet lug on this one too. Push down and rotate until this button right here clicks in. Now to remove it, it's going to be pretty hard because they're not really made to be fixed and unfixed. But you push the button up, rotate, and pull out. Last, with the M1 Garand, this is a pretty modern bayonet. You have the button up top next to your finger, and it drops down the locking mechanism whenever you push it in. Anyways, to mount it, it's the same thing as Schmidt-Rubin. You align it over the muzzle and the bayonet lug, push down. Then your bayonet is mounted. To take it off, it's going to be kind of hard to do with one hand, but you just push in the button and pull up.